guys, so we are back at the music circus here in Cohasset, and we are here for our first summer concert of the season. With everything that's been going on, we really haven't had too much on our plates. It's really not that hot and muggy. It's a beautiful night, and we're gonna go see Godspell. So we're going back to the 70s. I was 11, so I was in 6th grade. I do remember this. The only song I know from Godspell is Day by Day, but Bob knows them all.
Bob's very cultured.
Bob is very cultured. Say hi to the people, babe. We'll probably check in with you at, what do they call that? Intermission? It's very quiet here. What time is it, babe? 7:30?
7:30.
Show starts at 8, and it is like really quiet. So I'm probably gonna be one of about 50 people. I don't know. But anyways, we're excited. We're out for the night, and so we'll check in with you. I'll show you snippets of the show, and see you at intermission, I guess.
God save the people. God save the people. Oh, God save the people. God save the people. Oh, God save the people. Oh, dear Lord, these things I pray. See thee more clearly. Love thee more dear.
What do you think of the show, baby?
Beautiful.
I like it. I like it.
Me too.
I like the music. I like the message.
Beautiful baby. beautiful baby.
Oh, babe. You can't really film much of the show because there's not a lot of people here, and we're right in the front row, and
Yeah.
I could get caught and kicked out. And
You have to wait for me till the show is over then.
yeah, that wouldn't be good.
No,
That wouldn't be good.
it wouldn't. Yeah.
But you're gonna stay awake till the end.
I hope so. Should have been in bed an hour and a half ago.
I know. I don't know, baby. We're getting old. You need to keep your teeth, babe.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Well, I think they're about to start. Thanks for taking me to the show, baby.
You're welcome, baby. Beautiful baby.
thanks for watching this video, everyone. I am so blessed to have you here. I would just like to leave you with a couple of thoughts. After seeing Godspell this past week, it struck me that we tend to focus more on the crucifixion of Jesus. We focus on suffering and what's going on in the world and how bad things are. And I would just like to suggest that we focus on the resurrection instead, and focus on life and joy and giving to others and peace in our minds and in our thoughts. And when we see other people, know that this is Jesus. And if we can remember that and treat them the way we would treat Jesus if we saw him walking down the street or behind us in line at the grocery store, the world would be a much better place. I hope that you will check out my latest blog post focusing on the resurrection, and I hope that you will have a great week. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.